Tulungan! Di palo ang suga! Oh my God! No! Christmas everyone! So today, magdadit ang Sister Christmas kay Christmas karong adlaw. Yes, it's Pasko. Pasko karong adlaw guys. So yeah, karon durot ang Sister Christmas. So yeah, let's go. Di na tabi ino ikay basta Pasko ba? Di magino hindi ba guys? Char. Okay, so yeah, let's go na. So kita ra may isa. So yeah. Wala na atong ano. Okay. So first time ko na aning Sister Christmas guys. Okay, first time ako nakaduraan ni. So ato siya i-try kay Pasko man ron. Okay. Okay, nag-lag pa siya. I think, okay. Your parents left for the night because something, okay. But don't worry, they will be back soon. Ignore just in time for Christmas. Okay, mo back ako mga parents pag time na sa Christmas. Okay, so nindot siya. Okay, so na yung Christmas tree and okay, so pag Christmas tree yung atake guys. Okay, amo niya akong kwarto. Let's clean it up. Okay, so mag-clean ka. Imo niya akong kwarto guys. Kinais lagi akong kwarto pero wala yung Christmas tree. Nabalik kwarto na bagong Christmas tree, di ba wala? Okay. Let's go. Pero Christmas light na pero nabutog sa Christmas light. Yes. Okay. And okay. Pick up. Okay, pang pick up na to mga kon guys. Mga trash. Okay. We need, okay, isa na lang atong need guys. Ay, nasa gawas. Nasa gawas. Okay, nasa gawas. Okay, nasa sa gawas. Nasa sa outside. Outside. Okay, looks much better now. Okay. So, asa na ito siya butang kaning trash. Alright, now let's throw the trash out. Asan trash out na diri? Ay, asa? Where's the trash out? Ay, ara, okay. Okay, throw the trash out into the dumps. Here, okay. Para di ay. And, okay, sa panong happen, we need to clean up. Okay. Okay, na Christmas tree diri guys. Na Christmas tree. Ay, Christmas light eh. Christmas tree naman. Okay, let's grab the shovel from the garage first. Ay, garage era. Shovel. And then, unsa itong buhaton sa shovel? Okay. Matuntag snow. Okay, let's go. Okay, pang kulat ang mga snow pills. Okay, pang shovel na ito mga snow pills guys. Okay, need pa ta og isa. Ay, duha di ay. Okay. Duha para ma-5. Diba? So, doon na po yan. Bagarag ikaw nakadulaan ng Sister Christmas. Yeah. Bago pa ka nakadulaan niyo guys. Karoon pa. Okay, so yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. Okay. God said, if it gets cold, we should. Okay. Okay, fireplace. Okay, mga kuan. Mga woods. Okay, woods. Woods ba tawag gani? Woods. Woods sa English guys no. Sa Bisaya kay kahoy. Diba? Okay. Dito isa para ma-tree. Tree ba ang need? Tulo ang need guys. Okay. And asa ito butang? Okay. Place the wood into the fireplace and ignite it. Ignite it! Kung saan nagdi ko karong lang ay. Okay. Alas 12 na guys. It's time. Okay. It's time to call mom and dad. Ay, okay. Margas do sila tingani. Okay. Call daw. Ay, ara. Okay, ara. Okay, telepon lagi. Ano ko cellphone? Call parents. Okay. Okay, atong paminawon guys. Okay. La, weird lagi to. Ha? Hala! Di man yung atong mupalong ang telepon? That's weird. Hala, weird, Jod. Hala, unsa man itong gating? Oh my God. Teneneng! Hala, creepy kaayo. I think they should be home by now. Hala, oh my God. Naunsa ka to ang parents nako. Ah, okay. Grab the Christmas decoration from the box in the okay. Ito nakita na ko ganina mo niya pick up. Okay. So, mang-decorate na guys kay it's been a long, it's Christmas. Today, it's Christmas, yeah. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Ay! Okay, today mag-decorate na kay Christmas. Okay. Mag-place ng mga Christmas lights and okay, nindot akong balay. Okay. Christmas tree. Yes, pang Christmas na jud. Okay, we need one. Diyan! How doon ako mag-decorate? Uy, paspas ba kayo kung mag-decorate? Pero sa dulat naman tingali ko. Paspas mag-decorate. Diyan. Okay. So, what is that noise? What noise? Diyan, unsang TV. I think it's coming from the TV, Jude. Nagkarat ang TV, guys. What is this? Karat. That was strange. Hala, ganina sa kuan, sa telepon niya. Karon sa TV na pod. Whatever we should better start. Okay, preparing for Christmas. Oh my gosh, oh my guys, oh my gosh. Now let's prepare some cookies and milk for Santa. Okay, what's Santa karon? Okay, let's go. Asang milk, asang cookies. First, let's take out the milk from the fridge and pour it into a glass. Okay. Okay, open na diri ang milk. Okay. Ambod na diri sa kuan no lamisa na. Lamigason. Okay. Okay, pure milk. Okay. Let's pour this. Okay. Now, let's bake the cookies. Okay, asang cookies? Where's the cookies? Nadri? Ay, ara. Okay. Ara cookies, guys. Luckily, Mom prepared them already. So, we just need to put them in the oven. Okay, oven. Okay, put us sa oven, guys. Okay. Let's put the cookies into the oven. Okay, open. Let's open the oven and put in. And okay, close the oven door now. Okay, let's close the oven. Okay, so magpahulas ta. Now we have to wait for the cookies to finish baking. Okay, so magpahulas ta guys kay mag-wait sa mag-baking na ang cookies. Okay, there, done. Let's take them out. Okay na, okay. Luto na ang kuan, luto na ang cookies bisag mapaig. Darion na to siya, kay bisag mapaig ang cookies. Wala jud tay cookies jud, paig na to cookies. Wala tay mahatag ni Santa Claus. Check. All done. The milk and cookies are now on the table. Adja, okay. So na tay cookies og milk. This has been pretty excited. Excited jud kay ko, guys. Excited jud kay ko. Yes. Okay, let's take a quick nap in the bed. Okay. Let's go. Excited ko, guys. Unya gabi ipon. Excited ko unya gabi. Yes. Pagka alas 12, di ba, guys? Okay. Asa ta? Okay, babangon na tayo. Nag-burn out. Oh my gosh. Nag-burn out, guys. The power went out. Oh my god. Nag-burn out. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, itong buhaton. That normally does happen a lot around the Abitaw. Siguro bitaw ka run out. Di ba guys? Siguro siya ka run out. Okay, let's go to the garage to restart it. Okay. Restart na to and then okay. And look, isa to! What's that? Look, isa to si Sinister's Christmas to ba? Sinister's Christmas, char. I must be very tired. Ay, tired ang tingali ko, guys. Okay. Oh my god, okay. 4 bucks. Okay. Repair. Let's repair this, okay. Yeah, wala ako maamog dadari, Nalakaw. Naman ito yung mga grocery para pang Christmas. Yes. Okay. Okay, the power is back on. Okay. Okay, back na ang kuan power. Okay, matulog na po tagbalik. Okay, let's go to bed again. Okay. Matulog na po tagbalik, guys. Okay. Okay, mag-dap sa Okay, matatagtulog, guys. And sa patong hatong. Did someone knock at the door? Ay, oh. Is it mom and dad? Ay, atong mom and dad, tingnan na ako to. Okay, atong ito, or maybe Santa. Ay, mag-feel ako si Santa or mom and dad na ako, or I don't know, oy. Sure. Okay, open na door. Wala, dili, oy! Wala si Sister Sister Christmas, guys. It's the snowman again. He's trying to get in through the windows. Laon sa itong buhatan ni guys. Laon sa itong buhatan. We have to watch all. Laon sa. Alam mo, tago na lang. Laon sa ko matago. Sa bed na lang ko. If you see him at the window. Oh my god, oh my god. Ito itong buhaton, guys. Anong gagawin natin? Laon sa itong buhaton. Bahala mo dira, guys. Laon sa akong buhaton. Sa siya. Ay! Tama siya, guys! No, dirihan ako sa kwarto, guys. Ay, bahala mo diyo. Hello, di ba ko namundulan ni guys. Tabayay ko din yun. Oh my god, oh my god. Tago, guys. Oh my god. Wala nga, hindi pa ang suga. Oh my god. No! You did, but you can't still respond. Hello! Hello, atay ko, guys.